Hi, Chef Doug here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we're going to be out back grilling on the natural gas grill, breast of chicken, bratwurst, porterhouse steaks, and several vegetables. First we're going to get the chicken breast seasoned up here with some nice barbecue sauce. When it goes on the grill, we'll put the skin side down first, and then we will season the other side with barbecue sauce. The bratwurst are going to go right on the grill as is. Most importantly, we're going to feature the porterhouse steak today. Very important that you buy a good quality piece of meat, number one. And when you buy a good quality piece of meat, you don't really need to over season it. So we're going to lightly oil these steaks with a light olive oil or vegetable oil. You do not want to use extra virgin because that will burn on the grill. Light covering of kosher salt and crushed black pepper. That's all you need on a great steak. Then we've got our vegetables also, which we're going to do the same thing too. We've got sweet potatoes, zucchini, and I'm going to show you how to grill a great onion. Take a piece of aluminum foil, cut your Vidalia onion in half, a little chicken bouillon that's been diluted in water. Just run that all around the top of the onion. And then I use Mrs. Dash on the top, because Mrs. Dash is salt-free. We're just going to wrap it up, and that's ready to go on the grill. Now that we've got all of our products seasoned and ready to go on the grill, we're going to start that process. Turn your natural gas grill to the high position, which will be approximately 500 degrees. First, we're going to put on our Vidalia onion. Then we're going to start with our grilled vegetables and move them up to the warming rack also. With the high heat of the natural gas grill, we can get some great caramelization on these sweet potatoes, which have a high sugar content, so they caramelize up beautiful. Okay, as you can see, I've flipped the sweet potatoes over. They're nice caramelized, and we're going to move them up onto the warming rack to finish. We'll check the zucchini. That nice high heat just really does a great job of making your food look very appetizing. And next we're going to move right into the chicken. You saw earlier that I've seasoned the one skin side. I get those on. And then finish seasoning the opposite side. At this point, you may want to close the lid to help keep the heat inside to cook the chicken a little quicker. As you can see, I've flipped the chicken. It's been in here about 15 minutes. Nice caramelization where the barbecue sauce and the sugars have caramelized with that nice high heat of that natural gas grill. We're going to move the chicken towards the back here into a little bit of a cooler spot and start with our bratwurst. Fabulous summertime meal. We'll let those cook for a little while, and then we'll be back to finish up the steaks here momentarily. Okay, our brats are about ready to turn here. Nice golden brown. Nice caramelization on that again from the natural gas. We'll let those finish up while we move to our porterhouse steaks. On this side of this particular grill, there's an infrared natural gas burner, which is a very, very intense heat. That burner gets up to about 600 degrees. And that is very important when you're cooking steaks, because you want to caramelize the outside. You want to sear it hard so that all the juices stay in the steak and not run out into your grill. So we're going to get those steaks on. Preheated this grill nice and hot because we've got everything else cooking on there. Okay, we've got those going. We're going to want to lightly oil the other side now because we only did one side earlier. You can see that burner is very, very hot. A little kosher salt and black pepper. Okay, we've seared the one side of the porterhouse for approximately 6 minutes. We're going to flip it over. Do the same on the other side. As you can see, it's got beautiful caramelization from that high heat of the natural gas. Okay, now that your steaks are seared on both sides, some of your folks may enjoy their steak medium to medium well. This is very easy to do by controlling the heat on this natural gas grill by just turning the flame down slightly. We're going to turn this down to low and let our steaks finish up. And here is our finished product off our natural gas grill. But don't forget, we still have our onion. Beautiful grilled onion on our natural gas grill. What a finish to a great meal. Enjoy.